Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is CNAT, Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to discuss about panel discussion. Now this panel discussion is one of the method of classroom teaching. Panel discussion, this concept was first brought by Professor Harry A. This panel discussion is also known as a round table discussion. This is an improved version of your small group discussion. Panel discussion where experts are talking about the matter but they are not trying to find any solution for the problems. Here they are presenting their different viewpoints or difficult ideas about the same concept. The definition of panel discussion is a discussion of fewer people conversation in front of the audience. This is what very important. A panelist or the members of this group discussion, they are talking in front of the audience or in front of the public. The objective of panel discussion, mainly it helps to bring or discuss about the new concept, provide a new information, to identify the values, to improve the critical thinking or improve the cognitive learning process. For the mental recreation, improve the group work, panel discussion is important. The principle of panel discussion, where it provide a good opportunity for individual to develop themselves, to improve the independent participation, independent active participation in the activity. To consider the human behavior, develop a good human relationship among the members of panel discussion and the audience. Improve the conversation, provide an equal opportunity for everyone who take part in the panel discussion. It improve the social and psychological aspect so that we can improve the social gathering or teamwork or social group work. Then the characteristic of panel discussion. Panel discussion is a conversation about any topic or any generalized matter or any subject issues. In panel discussion, we can see some experts are talking about the matter. Here, experts are presenting their ideas, how differently they can think about the aspect. Panel discussion is not a way to find the solution for the problem. Panel discussion will be a prepared discussion. A pre-preparation planning is required before you present your panel discussion. It takes time to prepare, but a thorough knowledge is required by the expert, one who is presenting the matter. It has to improve the good relationship between the members. Otherwise, in group, there will be many other groups. Groupism can occur. So, we need to sort out all these things. Then we need to have a panel discussion. Also, panel discussion should be handled little intelligently and a very creative way. Otherwise, the panel discussion may lead into a different way of talk, may lose the track. Okay, so this is about panel discussion. Then the types of panel discussion. Here mainly we can see two types. The two type of panel discussion is public panel discussion, educational panel discussion. The public panel discussion, here we can see in any TV or media the discussion, common discussion what the people are doing. Example like please watch any news channel, maybe RTV, where Arnab Goswami is having a debate or a discussion with the group members, maybe a politicians or anyone talking about the general or common public issues. Then educational panel discussion, it can be organized in any educational sector, any university or any institution where they are talking about a matter or any issues related to the common areas, common aspects like educational aspect, to inform the messages to the audience, to the students, make the students aware about certain things and provide a general or introduce a new concept to the students. So we can use this education panel discussion. Okay. Then the technique of panel discussion, also is called as procedure. Now here we require mainly three components. One is president, panelist, audience. The president, one who is also known as the chairperson or mediator, because he has got the entire responsibility of organizing this panel discussion. He is the right person who is controlling the panel discussion. A chairperson or mediator should have a thorough knowledge about the topic, or he should complete has got the awareness about the theme, because panel discussion should not leave the track of that theme and speak something else. So he should know about the panelist, who is going to speak what and when, because time, duration, everything is managed by the mediator, and he is the one who start the discussion. He is the one who open the discussion, where he provide opportunity for everyone to present themselves. So the panelist will be telling their background. So this will be done with the help of mediator. Then what? Okay, then the panelist. Now panelist means one who is taking part in this activity. We can see 4 to 8 panelists in one panel discussion. Okay, here if I am the mediator, I will be sitting front, I will be sitting in the middle. Then some panelist speakers will be sitting my both right and left side. If you think that there are 5-6 people are there, means if I will be sitting in the middle, then 3 will be in my right, 3 will be in my left. So both the sides, they are sitting in a semicircle way. So this is the way of formation, how they will sit on the stage, whatever. Now each panelist will take opportunity to present their viewpoint and the talk. Then they are talking about the matter which is given to them. They should have a depth knowledge. They should be thorough about the concept, because any question can be asked by the audience. For that, they should provide an information or clarify the thinking of an audience. Then third component is audience. Like us, general public, we are the members who attending that discussion. When the discussion floor is open, audience can put forward their ideas, concept, any doubt or anything. If they want to have a discussion, they can discuss there. Now here they can approach the mediator or any panelist to seek the answer. So this is the technique of panel discussion. Then the advantage. Definitely, it provides a great opportunity for all the speakers to present their ideas. Even students get an opportunity to improve their level of knowledge. They can have a group discussion. They can have a general conversation about the certain issue or topics. And it improve that understanding, coordination, cooperation, social group, team spirit. See, all things can be seen. Also develop a quality to accept others, adjust with others, mingle with others and work. And also you are stable to face the criticism and any negative approaches. See, you are becoming a little smart to overcome with all these like deficiencies. And also it provide a team spirit. You are working with a team. It will improve the human relationship. It improve your social and psychological factors, that how you are dealing with the problem. Okay, so this is the advantage. It also improve a creative thinking, your cognitive learning process. And what else? It help you to think about the problem in a different way. You can give a different answers and a viewpoint. You can present the problem in a different angle. You can analyze the problem. These all things can be done with the help of panel discussion. What's the definition? Disadvantages. The disadvantages, it may be time consuming. See, before you come as a panelist for the panel discussion, you need to have a thorough information. If the mediator do not have a thorough information, then he may not able to answer the question what is asked by the audience. Some panelists may be talkative and dominant. They may have over control about the other panelists. So others may not speak. It's dominated by one person. Chances of groupism. First of all, small group. In that again, few more small groups can form. We can also find two ideas here, anti ideas or favorable ideas. Based on that, again, a split of group can happen. So these all are the problems what we can face in panel discussion. Okay. So students, you can expect 2, 3, 4, 5, even a 10 marks long essay question where they may ask you to list the classroom method of teaching and write any two. Now definitely you can write about panel discussion. The definition is, it's a conversation about with a few people in front of audience. Objective is to analyze the ideas, identify the values and improve your learning process. Principle is help to human relation, develop a human relation, good social and psychological factors, provide equal opportunity for everyone to speak. You be a independent active participant in the panel discussion. Type of panel discussion: public panel discussion and educational panel discussion. And the component, procedure or technique of panel discussion is president or mediator, panelist and audience. Then finally, advantages and disadvantages about panel discussion. I hope you understood. Please take care of yourself and keep reading, keep watching, so that I'll meet you in the next class with a new concept. Thank you all.